So in this video, I just wanted to briefly go over the math for the worksheet. In case looking at it, you weren't sure what's going on. So I'm going to start with 10B because I think everything else before that's relatively straightforward. But if you do have questions about it, just let me know. So we are converting 0.005 kilograms to milligrams. And some of you might try to convert kilograms directly to milligrams, and you can for sure. But for me, I always like to go to the unit without any prefixes. So I will go to kilograms to grams and then grams to milligrams. And you might also notice that I have scientific notation times 10 to the 6. And you might have written down your number without scientific notation. You might be asking yourself, well, do I need to use scientific notation or not? We are going to get into significant figures soon. So you will learn how to do that. For this worksheet, it's not that big of a deal if you didn't. But that's why I have my answers like that. For C, I'm converting meters per second. So whenever you see a numerator, or sorry, a denominator, like 45.7 meters per second. The way you want to do this is the number goes with the top unit, 45.7 meters, and the bottom number is 1 second, and that's where you can draw your line. And so what I did here is I converted seconds to hours, because that's what my answer wants to be in. Then I converted meters to centimeters. Then you can multiply everything at the top, divide by everything on the bottom, which is just 1 to get your answer. If you know how to uh, go between units in this class, the math is oh so much easier. So practice, practice, practice. If you want more practice, just ask ChatGPT to just feed it in this question, ask for more example problems, and then we'll be able to create a bunch. All right, so let's do density now. So here's the density of octane. What's the weight in grams of 1.257 liters? So the way I do these conversions is that I always start with the unit I'm given, 1.25 liters. And if you notice, my density is in milliliters. So the first thing I did was convert my liters to milliliters. Then I can multiply by my density to get a weight. Again, I have scientific notation because of sig figs, which we'll go over. For B, that is relatively straightforward. You're going to take your weight and divide by your density. But yeah, if you have any questions about that, let me know. Have a good one.